Cam! Wait lang, my lens is dirty. Okay. Okay, please make sure you've already liked and subscribed, and we'll continue on to the vlog. Okay, so it's currently a mess everywhere here because I am packing for myself and Sienna Bog. We are leaving the Philippines for a trip with the fam bam, with the Kokoros, plus my sister. And our flight is already the day after tomorrow, so that is why I'm already packing. It's a morning flight. It's our first ever morning long haul flight with Sienna. A bit stressed about it, but we'll just go with the flow. I'll show you what I've accomplished so far. Ta-da! So these are the stuff that I'm bringing. I've already pre-selected everything. Excuse the stick-on bra, but you guys know I have boobs. I'm a woman. Shouldn't be an issue. And then here over at Sienna's room, it's also a messy sitch. I have already started styling her looks as well. She's got a lot of looks waiting for her already at our destination because there was a sponsor who sent it there. But still, I brought quite a few clothes for her. I just couldn't help myself. We're now gonna put them into the bags. I'm gonna try to do it real quick so that I can head to Nicole's place because we're finally going to reunite with the vlogger besties. So yeah, I'll just try to pack whatever I can squeeze in today. And then the rest I'll pack tomorrow. Just all the major stuff are here now, at least. Okay, we're not gonna pack in cubes this time. Maybe only for Sienna, but not for me. I have some cold weather clothes with me because these were sent to me by Dorothy Schumacher at the height of the pandemic. So I wasn't really going anywhere. Sayang naman I wasn't able to shoot it to show my appreciation. So now I'm gonna bring them with me. And since it's still cold in some of the places we're going to, let's not go there first. I'm trying to arrange them by order. Like the last ones I'm gonna use. And this last because this is my airport outfit. Yaya has this really cool way of rolling up the shirts, but she's not here. Yeah, actually, you might also notice that Sienna's not here. We sent her to my parents' place so that I can actually do stuff today. I have so many things to do before we fly out, which is always the case whenever we travel, like right before we fly out. And recently, she's been really eager to spend a lot of time with mommy, which I'm not complaining about. I love, but then it also makes it hard for me to do all the stuff because she'd go to me and get my hand and want to walk around. I told Yanni that let's send Sienna to my parents' place because I'm sure my mom wants to see her also before we fly out. And my mom was more than happy for us to leave her there. Yun nga lang, she did not do her afternoon nap. She refused to sleep at my parents' place. I guess she knew that it was a special place and did not want to miss out. She had FOMO. It's usually not the case though. Like she would still nap naman there. I don't know why today she didn't want to nap. Maybe she knew that we weren't there. Their guards are not there. So as you can see, I am packing a lot of colors. I'm feeling colorful recently. This is the reason why I'm not packing in cubes. I like packing like a puzzle so that I can really make the most out of my luggage space. And I could do this with my blazers. I was actually saving this blazer for Fashion Week. But you know what? I'ma wear it already. I can't wait. It's been with me for months. Probably already a year, almost a year. Christopher John Rogers blazer. Comes with a strap as well, like a waist bag, but I removed it because I won't be using it for this trip. This shirt is so wrinkled. I'd normally ask Tess Boomy to iron my clothes again if they're this wrinkled before I pack them in. Honestly, probably get wrinkled again, so oh my gosh, there's no way I can pack this without getting it all wrinkled. Look at it. Just to show you, it's actually flat. It's just fluffy. So I'm bringing 3 shoes with me. My Pradas. So 1 black, 1 white. And then I'm gonna be wearing my Chanel rubber shoes to the airport so I'm comfy. Actually, I think I could have brought just 2 shoes with me, but I don't know. I just wanted to be thorough. So this is complete na. It just lacks my toiletries. Bringing a tripod with me, not for content. I don't usually bring. Except when we went to Europe before because we were there for a few months, right? And I had to work. But I have work again, like right when we land. So I need to bring this tripod with me. I think this is my smallest one. So hopefully this will work. And I need because I have to have light. So hopefully this will do. Allowed for that. Maybe I have to put this in my hand carry because it has the battery. Yeah, actually, I need to put this in my hand carry. What if they don't allow me because it looks like a weapon? No, I'm sure it's fine. Okay, so we have to bring this with me to the hand carry. This bag I can put here because it's not so expensive. Usually, when it's a super duper expensive brands that are more well known by a lot of people, like the Chanels, the Gucci's, the Louis Vuittons, then I put them in my hand carry. But this one is new. I love them. Super love this brand. This one, not a lot of people know. It's not so mainstream unless you're like really into fashion, then you know it. But if you're not, then you probably don't know it. So, I can put this here. Okay, we're done here. How can a tiny human have so much stuff? I have to wait for Johnny to be back because he has my organizing cubes. But I can start to fold. Look at how cute Sienna will look. It's gonna be hype. Oh, I haven't chosen her shoes. Gosh, so much easier before. She didn't need shoes. Hi! Hobbs, will you kill me if I bring 3 pairs of shoes for Sienna?
Sienna's shoes are okay. It's pretty small.
Okay, yay! Yaya, give me her gold Mary Janes. Sienna Bob, come let's test this if it's too big on you. Shoes. Okay, let's try your shoes. Ay, naku, it's too big pa.
Malaki yan.
Wala, I can only bring your other shoes. It's too big. Oh, Sienna Bob. Abort mission. Sienna Bob might have too much outfits, Hobbs.
Might or has.
There's a chance, Daddy. My love, no. Okay, there. Is she hype or is she not hype? Well? Okay, so that is it. I have packed most of Sienna's stuff. The rest, Yaya will finish. And then I'm off to see the Blogger Besties. Hi! What is on the menu?
Today, we are having Insalata di Agnolo, my favorite from Chibo. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it is what it is.
How about you, patty cakes?
Alright, so I am having squash flour pasta.
Ooh. What's
Yeah.
this, Nicole? Rigatoni.
You wanna try it?
Alfonso. How about you, Lisa?
Yabu and 7-Eleven fried chicken.
How about you, Camille?
Ikaw?
Ilang late ako. My food is also late. So,
Wine na lang. Ay, pwede. Sorry.
no wine for me. No wine.
Sorry.
I'm living a clean life.
Hoy! So malaking edges na!
Wow.
That is a lie. No.
Okay, so we can now start our meeting. My food is here! Yay! Mas malakas yung palakpak for my food than when I arrived. But yeah, just wanted to show you.
Listen up, yo. So this is it. po
This is it.
ang bagong girl dance group.
For Lori's TikTok video, okay?
So, kailangan medyo malayo tayo. Ito yung view sa baba ng shades para lang alam natin. Kasi kailangan naman sa kung hindi kasi may bagsak yun. Oo, yung bagsak niya kasi.
Teacher!
Hindi kasi. Okay, sige. Papakita ko lang kung ano ibig sabihin na.
Let's try. Serious.
Let's try.
Ang hindi na-gets tanga.
Alam mo, hindi ka kita sa camera, di ba? Okay. Huli ako. Gusto mo yung sinabi mo sa...
Ay, ito dapat yung pasok ko dito sa lalabas.
Sobrang siniseryoso.
Huli ka.
Oy, sorry na!
Isa pa! Isa next. Last ka. Tayo,
Last ka, my friend.
Isingin niyo na lang.
Last ka.
Nung part na niya, sabi niya, I'm friend.
Ayoko na, sorry!
So it is one day before our flight. Well, technically just a few hours away before my flight. Just came from Velo to kill my pimple, which is why there's a pimple patch there. But anyway, moving on. I think I'm already done packing my stuff and Sienna's stuff. And I am heading out to go to the mall to get some more stuff that we need. Just some snacks maybe we could bring with us for Sienna. And then I'm gonna try to find individually packed milk for her. So yeah, just last minute errands before we fly out. But thank you again, Vendla, for killing my pimple. Okay, so first order of business, I need to have my laptop fixed. It's been broken for a very long time. My battery just does not last long, so I'm gonna have it fixed. Okay, so I failed. Wala palang service center dun, so I can't fix my laptop. Anyway, now I'm gonna go and get some snacks for Sienna at Healthy Options. And then, I'm gonna try to look for an oil film for this oily tita. And then, to the grocery. Errands done. Got Sienna's milk. Oh no, I forgot. I forgot something, but anyway, almost perfect. This is perfect. I got a bunch of quiet books for our flight because I'm a bit scared of how we'll perform on this flight because it's a morning flight, so I need stuff that will keep Sienna busy. And last minute, Smart Toys came through. Thank you so much. So they sent us these really cool books. So this one's like a texture book, so there are different textures and different like this that will keep them occupied. And then quiet book, because we have one quiet book here and Sienna loves it, so hopefully she'll love this. So this is how it looks, very different from what she has now, so hopefully she'll still like this as well. Yay! And then these quiet books with velcros. Oh no, I have to assemble this pala myself. So I'll do this later. So these are the velcros that I have to assemble for Sienna Bog so she can play with it on the plane. And then we have these lift the flap books that Sienna's playdate teacher said is really nice for her age because they also like to flip these things. Okay, well, Sienna does that. So you get to like lift the flap of these things like that. Sienna Bog, mommy teaches you. And here, you can lift. Wow, you're so good! So this is also a lift the flap book. This one we got from Owl and Dino. This is easier to spot. Here. Ta-da! Sabi rin niya, tada! Tada! This page. Show mommy. Where is it? Yeah? Yeah! And then we also have this one from Owl and Dino. It's pretty cool. Changes faces. Anything to keep her occupied during our 17-hour flight.
Try mo ulit yung ilang minutes to.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Where are we going?
No running. Slowly. Slowly. And we're off on the way to the plane. We made it. The next time we see you, we're gonna be in Europe. Well, actually, no. I'm still bringing you to the plane with us. So next time I see you, we'll be on the plane. You'll know if we succeeded. You'll know if Sienabog was fussy, which I won't be surprised about because it is a morning flight. It's a very weird schedule, so we'll see. Say bye bye. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.